That could be these guys. I don't know.
Do they land out here, or did they go someplace else to land?
Most of them land here.
Hannah comes over. She gets my camera. She goes in and takes 1,000 pictures of a dog. Just wastes the film. She takes so many of them. If he's a candy man, Matthew. We did the Vertigo air shows, didn't we? Was that the 4 of them?
I think that was the museum one.
Or you thought that was a classic museum?
They're jets. That's Russian big right there.
This one?
That's a Russian big. What are those called?
And those green things over there?
They're like the butter top things. Really.
One time when we parked in the back. Ione was with us, and I don't know if Donnie was with us or not, but Richard and I was. And we came in the back door, and I just came over to that one machine. I forget even what machine it was now. I put a little bit of money, and I was playing, and I'd won $2,200 on that dumb thing right at the very beginning. And Richard, you won $3,500, didn't you, one time when you was playing the dollar machine, wasn't it? In the non-smoking.
Yeah.
But
Look long time ago.
Yeah, look at Donnie. Donnie, he was with his parents, and he'd been down to the beach with them, and he was coming back, and they stopped at Spirit Mountain. And
Came by once.
No, but I was trying to figure that. 317 flyby.
They had the front of that camera covered up.